Hey guys, welcome back to this piano improvisational tutorial series. Today we're going to be talking about accents. So first, let's just play through a couple of the phrases we've developed so far. One of them was, and we can start that anywhere, of course. So let's just stick with that one for now. Now we're going to talk about how we can accent or make certain notes louder to make it sound a little more musical, or make it sound whatever you're trying to express. So let's just say I'm going to do roughly every other note I'm going to accent. So here's unaccented. Now I'm going to do the first note, the third note, etc. every other. Right, so you can kind of hear that. Now I'm going to do the opposite one. I'm going to do the second, fourth, basically every even number one. And then you can start messing around, combining them, or doing like every third one, every fourth one. And by that I mean the fourth one of each phrase or the third one of each phrase. Then I can start just doing whatever I feel like doing. So as we talked about, we can, meander through all these white keys or depending what scale you're in. So I can do something like... So notice I'm just messing around with which note I accent. There's not really always a rhyme or reason to it. It's just kind of whatever I'm feeling at the time. So if you feel like a certain note should be louder, make that louder. If you want that to be like kind of a punctuational point of the phrase or of like the musical sentence, if you will. So let's try one other phrase we came up with was, let's try doing that with some various accents. Or I could do, or some kind of combination. Now I'll combine a few different of the phrases, the first one and the second one. So there you have it. Take any of those phrases you've started developing and start accenting any of the notes you want. So I would recommend doing maybe every other to start. So like the first, the third, all the odd numbers. Then try doing every even number. Then try doing, say, every third note or every fourth note. Or it could be every downbeat, or it could be every upbeat, or anything that you can think of, Start messing around with that, and it's going to add some more feeling and emotion to your playing.